Supervisor. All right, go for it. Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle!
February 2025, Jacksonville, Florida, William McNeil Jr. is pulled over for driving without his headlights on in the rain.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely there's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
37, 35. I'm proper dog driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 seconds. For not.
He doesn't run, he doesn't fight, he just asks why he is being pulled over.
Yep. 25 seconds. If anybody responding, come in from Commonwealth, block the vehicle, please. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Yep, my camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay.
His window is broken and won't roll down. Hands visible, he asks them for a supervisor.
Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window.
Well, we're conducting a traffic stop right now. You need to comply.
No, he's under arrest.
Hey, I'll out the car. I'm going to push it up.
Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door.
Backup arrives, but instead of calling that supervisor, the officers give him a countdown.
Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
Vehicle's blocked in.
Yes.
He's locked it up. He's putting the window down.
Correct.
I tried to talk to
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he I guess,
When he pulled me over, he walked up, opened my door, and my window don't work, right? And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like, there's multiple people headlights off.
Okay, that's still
and then there's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on.
Can you pull that law up?
Huh?
Can you pull that law up?
Yeah, when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey.
Can you call your supervisor?
Huh?
Can you call your supervisor?
All right, go for it. Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands. Here.
1033 at 16.1 hours.
Here. What is your reason, sir? What is your reason?
Step out now. All right. Get on the ground.
No, don't fucking
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. What's wrong with you?
What do you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back.
They smashed the glass and dragged him out onto the pavement, over a headlight and a question.
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No.
Yes, bro. Yes.
That's a lawful reason, bro. You look on the phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off of you, bro.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
how it works. When they ask you to step out of the vehicle, you should have done that shit. So your partner didn't even ask.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is. So why close the door if you see him pull up? Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, but I didn't do nothing.
Don't resist, you idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I don't know.
Can you back me up to the cop car clean up? You a buck man.
William McNeil survived. He walked away bleeding, with a busted lip and a fight that is still going today.
I did. There you go. I know. We should put you over window.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What you need? You need tissue?
You good?
Yeah, you or him? Okay.
Prosecutors reviewed this same footage and declined to charge the officer. McNeil has filed a lawsuit. Watch it again and tell me if that is justice.